welcome back to another video. So, quick swatch video today. I've bought these gel polishes off Amazon. That's the brand there. I think it says Aikker, A-I-K-K-E-R. I bought these because they were $6.99. So cheap, and there's 6 in the pack. They had 3 or 4 different sets. There was one at $6.99, one at $7.99. They were all between $6.99 and I think £12. Really, really cheap. But anyway, this one was $6.99. It did say limited time deal, so I don't know if the price has changed. But what I will do, when I upload this video, I will write in my description box the price, or I'll leave the link, and you can check it out yourself. But anyway, let's get into it and have a look what we've got. So, they are all 8ml bottles, and they are brilliant little spring colours. They're blue, yellow, and there's a white. So, let me get them out and we'll have a quick look. The only thing is, they haven't got numbers on these bottles. What they have got, which I thought was very strange, if you look at these love hearts, that one's an empty heart, that one's got a little bit, that one's got a little bit more. And these 3, again, that's got a little bit more, and then the white one's full. So, like, there's no way you can, like, I know you can see the colours through the windows, but still, I just thought that was weird. So, I'm going to get them swatched. What I am going to do is, I mean, they've got them numbers on the bottom, but I don't think they're, yeah, because that says 17, that says 17. So I think I'm just going to put my own numbers on them. I'm just going to number them 1 to 6, so I can have 1 to 6 on my swatch sticks. And yeah, because when I'm picking a colour out, I will just pull down my swatch sticks and pick a colour. I don't go through all my gel polishes looking for a colour. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly number them 1 to 6, and then we'll get them swatched. Right, so I don't know if I said as well, they're 8ml bottles, they're glass bottles, so they're not the biggest bottles, but they're not teeny weeny either, are they? Right, so look, I've numbered them all 1 to 6, but that's just the way I store things and how I do it. So we'll start with number 1, which looks like a looks kind of similar to this I've got on my finger actually. Yeah, it is. It's like a teal kind of blue colour. Should I bring you in a bit? Yeah, I've never tried this brand before either, so I'm curious to see what they're like. It's not a very thick gel. It's not thin either. Yeah, it's not thick, it's not thin, it's just, I quite like that. That's gone on quite nicely. Beautiful colour. It's just a bit lighter than the one I've got. It's a very pretty colour. I really, really like that. And that's pretty opaque, I must say, for one coat. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then we'll do the rest of them. So again, this looks like it's another blue. These are going to be nice for spring, Easter. This is a nice colour as well. Blues is one thing I've not really got a lot of, actually. That's a pretty colour. Again, one coat. Wow. Very opaque for one coat. Super smooth. I like it. I really do like that. Right, so this one looks like a yellow. Well, it doesn't look like a yellow. It is a yellow. I think I've only got 3 or 4 yellows, you know. This is a nice yellow. Very bright yellow. It's like a sunflower yellow, isn't it? Or a daffodil yellow. Yes, that's very pretty. That's a very nice yellow as well. Again, that's really opaque. Really, really pretty, bright yellow, that, isn't it? Bright yellow. I like that a lot. I do like that. Right, this is another yellow. This one looks a bit darker. Yeah, this one's a bit darker than that one. I don't know what kind of yellow I'd call this. It's not quite a mustard yellow, is it? I don't know what kind of yellow I'd describe that as. But it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Nice, nice, nice. Right, and this one's a blue. Oh, it's a nice blue. Do you know something? I always find, particularly this shade of blue, to be really sheer. Every blue I've got that is this shade is sheer. I don't know if it's the pigment they use to make this colour blue or what. I've got a Yogi blue, same as this. I've got, oh, I can't remember what brands they are. I've got about 3 shades of blue this colour. And they're all sheer, and this is no different. This one's sheer as well. You can't really see how sheer it is on camera. I mean, it's not really sheer. It's not a jelly or anything. They just tend to be sheerer than any other colour. It is slightly see-through. Can you see my nail there through it? Yeah, so it must be that colour pigment they use to make that colour blue. Because every shade that I've got like that is sheer. Right, this one is a white. I'm going to swatch it anyway because I want to see how it cures, how pigmented it is. It looks quite nice actually. It does, it looks quite nice. It's really nice coverage that for a white. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Really nice white that. Completely opaque with one coat. Yeah, I like that. I go through a hell of a lot of whites. I do. I can never have enough whites. Right, I'm going to get all these top coated and then we can have a look at them. Okay, that's them all top coated now. So that's what I've called number 1. It's not number 1, but you know what I mean. Really, really pretty colour, one coat. I really, really like that shade. I really like that shade of blue, green, teal. And then this is what I've called number 2. Again, it's a really pretty colour. They're quite similar in that they're both kind of teal colours, but still very different shades, if you know what I mean. I really like them. They'd look beautiful in an ombre, wouldn't they? Them two. They would. So this is number 3 and 4. I'll show you them together again. Really pretty yellows. There's not too much difference between them. Not too much. This one's slightly darker off camera, but only slightly. They're going to be nice for spring and summer. Nice. And then we've got this blue, which is a bit sheer. But like I said, every shade of blue, no matter what brand, seems to be sheer in this colour. I don't know what it is, but yeah, but I think 2 coats you'd get, it'd be completely opaque with 2 coats, I think you'd get away with. But it's a nice colour. And then we've got the white, which I'm really happy about. I go through so many whites. And yeah, that's just 1 coat, completely opaque, so I'm really, really happy with that. I'm happy with this whole collection for that price. I mean, it worked out at about £1.10 a bottle, something like that. Dirt cheap. But like I said, it has been a couple of weeks since I bought these. I will leave the link in my description box. You can go over and see if they've still got any offers on. I think I might even have a look myself, because they had a couple of sets, different colour sets. but I grabbed the cheapest. But anyway guys, that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.